This parcel is coming from Kolhapur. There is 7 to 8 laptop for repairing. This parcel is from Satara. This is from Vengurla district, Vengurla Chiplun, and this laptop is open for repair. We connect DC power supply. It's not taken. It's taken 0.6 ampere. When we power on, it's not power on. This laptop has come to me for repair from Vengurla Chiplun, Konkan. This motherboard is ready now. See the impedance taken. We need to on this. Laptop is on now, and display also coming in my pen drive. This case study of laptop is done.